Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw? We saw the first lesson in second term. What is the first lesson? Geometry. Geometry means what? Reading about some points, lines and shapes. Okay, I hope all are clear about geometry. In geometry what we saw? We saw the 2D shapes and its properties. What are the 2D shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay, in yesterday we saw the properties of square and rectangle only. Okay, square and rectangle only. What are the properties of square? Square is a closed space and square has four sides and square has four corners and all the four sides are equal. These are the properties of square. And rectangle, what we saw the properties of rectangle? Rectangle is a closed shape and it has four sides and it has four corners and the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal means that is rectangle. All the sides are equal means that is square. Okay, I hope all are clear about the properties of square and rectangle. Okay students, listen. Today we are going to see the properties of the another two 2D shapes as triangle and circle. Okay, yesterday we saw the properties of square and rectangle. Today we are going to see the properties of triangle and circle. Okay, see first one, triangle. Triangle is a closed shape. I already told you closed shape means what? It has no open shape. It has no open space. See the triangle, all the lines are joined by another line. This is called closed shape. Okay, it has three sides. See, 1, 2, 3. There are three sides in a triangle. It has three corners. See, I already taught you that corner means what? The two line joining point is called corner. See, this one and this one, the another one is called corner. Okay, so triangle has three corners. Sides can be equal or unequal. Okay, in triangle the three sides are maybe equal or unequal. That is not necessary. Okay, that is not necessary. The sides of a triangle are maybe equal or unequal. Okay, these four are called the properties of triangle. Okay, see the next one, circle. Okay, the fourth one, circle. Circle has one center point. Circle has one center point. See the properties of circle. There is only one property for circle. Circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve. See, circle is closed. Okay, that's why circle is a closed curve. Okay, these are the properties of triangle and circle. These are the properties of triangle and circle. Okay, next one. See the next one, identification of lines. Okay, next one what? Identification of lines. Okay, see the first one, horizontal line. You already know the lines. I once again recall the lines. Okay, horizontal line. Horizontal line means sleeping line. Okay, horizontal line means what? Sleeping line. Okay, there is two ends in the line. Okay, horizontal line means the sleeping line. This one is called the horizontal line. See the next one, vertical line. Vertical line means it is also like a horizontal line, but the line is standing line. Okay, standing line, up and down direction. Okay, up and down direction, it is called the vertical line. Okay, horizontal line means sleeping line and the vertical line means standing line. Okay, the third one is slanting line. The third one is slanting. Slanting line means it is slightly slowed down and another way is it is a cross line. Okay, it is a cross line, that is called a slanting line. The last one is curved line. This line is like bending. Okay, the line is like bending. It has one end and another end and the line is bending means called curved line. Okay, these are the identification of lines. You already know the four lines. Once again I recall the lines. Okay, once again I recall the lines. What are the lines? Horizontal line, it is a sleeping line, and vertical line, it is a standing line. The third one, slanting line. Vertical line means standing line. Slanting line means it is like slightly slowed down and it is a cross line. Okay, curved line it is bending. Bend line is called curved line. Okay, these are the lines. These are the four lines. Okay, see once again I recall the topic. In geometry today we are seeing the properties of triangle and circle. Okay, triangle is a closed shape. Okay, the first property of triangle is a closed shape and it has three sides. It has three corners and sides can be equal or unequal. Okay, triangle sides may be equal or unequal. And the fourth one is circle. Okay, circle is a closed curve. Circle has only one property. Okay, circle has only one property. The next is identification of lines. Okay, identification of lines. Horizontal line, it is a sleeping line. Vertical line, it is a standing line, and slanting line means it is a cross line. Okay, curved lines means it is a bending line is called curved line. These are the lines. Okay, and these four is the properties of triangle, and this one is called the properties of circle. Okay, these are your today class. Okay, next I will give the homework for you. Today homework is draw the lines. Okay, the first one is draw the lines, and the second one is write the properties of triangle and circle. Okay, you have to draw the lines clearly and neatly. Okay, the second question is write the properties of triangle and circle. You have to write the properties of triangle and circle neatly and correctly. Okay, you have to keep your note in safe. It is very useful for your half-yearly exams. Okay, you have to write it. Okay, and send it. Okay, thank you.